Alright, '07 Charger, 3.5 liter, no start. I thought it was this actuator pin. Originally I thought it was a starter. It wasn't. Now I thought it was the actuator pin. It seems to be in good shape. Now I'm not sure if it's this starter switch, but I'll show you what it does. Fuel pump turns on. Nothing. Clicking seems to be coming from this relay. One of these three relays. I've switched them around, nothing changes. I'm stumped.